automatic folder and link to that folder by Excel. So for example, I'm going to select this one, sorry, SPN, and there's a macro coding, and I'm going to run it. So automatically create a folder here, same name is linked to this folder. So if I click this one, it will open, same location, stock market company S&P desktop, and there's a coding. So I'm going to link this coding to description. For let's see how I find out how to do that one. First of all, let me delete this one, and this folder and file name stock market buy and sell is located into desktop, and report stock market. And here in company, inside the I need to create a folder, and inside the company. So far I can able to find it and internet using yeah, this is the coding so far I am using. So this is the website. I find it to this website, and I done little bit modification. After that this works perfectly. I'm using this coding and this coding. This website I want to Excel spreadsheet help. This website I'm using little bit this this macro coding and this macro coding. I am getting YouTube from the following YouTube from Excel 10 tutorial YouTube, and another YouTube called Nike, which I can't pronounce his name. There's a YouTube. Those two following YouTube, I am creating that Excel sheet. There's a website Excel sheet, and another one this one. For in here using that original coding, so only able to create the folder in here. This what we call, and it's a main for file, which folder is a file, file available at that folder only able to create that what company name, company listed, whatever you are going to create a folder name. So I don't want to do like that, because all day too much for rearranged folders in my folder. So in this folder, so I don't want to create it any more folder here unless I need to. So but whatever folder company name I am going to create it automatically. So I set to be inside the company name, company folder. So this is a company folder. In here company name, company code. So I'm going to connect it using to here concatenation, concatenated, and I'm going to select little bit comma, quotation space, and comma, and close bracket. Sorry, close bracket is going to be a name. So I want to this name to for I want to create the name folder name like this folder name, and it's automatically linked to that folder. So I don't want to go to my computer and desktop. I don't want to open it. Otherwise I don't want to go to the report, anything like that. I want to open like a hyperlink. I need to create a hyperlink. So I just copy the two set of coding from here. So I just copy from here to here. This area coding from I am getting from using those two YouTube channel, following those two YouTube channel I follow to create my file. So I copied, and second file I just made copy pasted here. In here I made a small adjustment. In here I just made a small adjustment in here. So the original coding you can see it in here. Where's that file? In original coding, sorry, in original coding only active workbook dot path and only like that. And from me I done like that small changing. So I need to get another company folder now. So I made it extra this part only. I made the extra this part only, and I just made it over here and here, and in here, and I made another change in second macros in here. This original coding look like this one. Browse folder, browse for folder like that, and browse for folder like that. So I change it in here. Everywhere where I can see the browse for folder, I just copy paste it like this, and copy. I paste it here. Browse for folder in here, and another one in here. So, and another one in here. Yeah, from here, and another one in here. So if you are not changing from here also, it's automatically create a folder in C partition, C system folder. Automatically going to create us inside the system folder. So I can able to see the system folder. So in here, system folder, C location in here. Automatically going to create a folder here. So I don't want to do that one. So for that I just change a little bit code and modification like that, and everything works for me. For example, I'm going to save it in here. I'm going to use it, click on direct, and all the name it here like a printer PLC CRA is a company code name. So I want to select it in here. I'm going to use it macros, and I already created two macros now. So I want to click like that, make the folder, run. This automatically come to how many file I selected. That means 6 file. So it's going to be a 6 folder inside in here. So if I select, sorry, one folder, it's automatically open here. Let me see Tokyo Cement Company. I'm going to make it another, copy paste one file it here. So let me look at the Supercar Blondie, one of my favorite YouTube channel called Supercar Blondie. So I just made a wallpaper. Oh, there's a 1.5 GB. Okay, that is too heavy. I like the small file. Kita. Oh, okay, so we have come to this one. Kita is one. Leave. So let's see, it's a overwrite losing file, I think. So I'm going to right click it here, and I'm going to, for example, I'm going to make it some more companies like this. Okay, let me paste it here. So okay, it's come automatically because of this order. I just copy paste the link everything. So I don't want to do like that, and that's why it's connected to here. Let me select it. So I'm going to use it macros again and create folder. Certificate some another extra two folder here. Run extra two folder, but even if the inside of file not deleted. And here there are no folder. Last one auto no file. So far I can able to find it whatever in internet. So they didn't do like this. This I'm the one first time. I'm really happy to announce that one. I'm the one first time I just doing like that. So my own it's not exactly my own coding. I just took it from those two YouTube channel. I'm going to link those two YouTube channel to my description, and after that I'm going to paste it and this code. So I'm not sure it's going to work or not work. So anyhow, I don't want to paste it entire code maybe. So only I change it in here now. So only I change this much. So if I can able to, I try to paste it on entire code. If it's not succeed, and I'm going to paste it only this little bit only. So if anyone watching, you can able to make it this code. So and I don't want to keep it in that code like this. I want to remove everything. Then yeah, if there's any limitation of text, it's going to be covered. Okay. That is it. Okay. The entire code from here to here. If I can count it, how many words I selected? Okay. Thank you for watched.